Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I got this look. As you can tell by the title, it is my go-to glam. I usually go for a pinkish purple, nudish kind of lip with like a gold glitter eye and like bronzy, glowy skin. That's like my go-to. It's my favorite. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of stuff has been going on with school, so I haven't posted in like a week, but trying to get this video out there. Been just studying for finals and tests and stuff. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this Garnier Skin Active Ultra Lift like sunscreen anti-wrinkle firming moisturizer. I just use this because, you know, I'll be outside today and it has SPF in it, so that's really good. And it's anti-wrinkle, and I mean, I'm only about to be 20, so I really don't need it, but the reason I do put it on is because you should start young, okay? I'm not trying to have wrinkles. Next, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild facial primer. I just put it mostly here where I get a little bit oily, up here, in this little crease right here. Smile lines. Recently, I've been mixing the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation and the number 7 foundation. This one's more of a medium coverage and this one's more of a full coverage. If I want to go more full coverage, I'll just mix them. This is in the shade 02 Natural. This is like a little bit too yellow for me. I need to find a different shade, but this one's a little bit lighter, and this is in Warm Ivory. Next, I'm going to go in with Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage Concealer in shade Light Beige. Y'all already know. If y'all watched my favorites video, I think I put that in there. I'm not sure. But this has just been my fave. So full coverage. I like to put it all the way into my nose, so it just already, like when I blend it out, it looks like I contoured my nose when I really didn't. So I just go down the nose and then up. Next, I'm gonna go in with my contour stick, if I can find it. Oh, here. This is the Wet n Wild contour stick. I really like this shade, so. And then I'll actually go in with the other side because it's dual ended, and then I'll take the highlighty side and just do my nose in here. I'll go back to the clean side that doesn't have the contour, and I'll make sure I won't have any creases, and I'll hurry up, get some on my brush, on my beauty blender like this, some powder. I'll go all the way to the side of my nose. Next, I'm going to take my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and I'm going to just set my face. Now while I'm baking, I'm going to do my contour to get that out of the way. I'm going to take my favorite, the Wet n Wild Contour palette. This video is not all drugstore, but I like a lot of drugstore products. This is the Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights in ColourPop. I got this for Christmas from Caleb, and I absolutely love ColourPop. Okay, well, the Dream Street palette does not have a white base shade, so I'm going to go into the Morphe x Kathleen Lights palette, and I'm going to use this one right here. It's just a matte white, and I like to put this, I take a lot, okay, a lot. And I already put something in my crease, but I'm going to take it off right now. I'm going to go back into that Dream Street palette that I was doing before, and I'm going to use that shade that I had in my crease. Alright, so I'm going to just keep trying to build up that color in the outer corner because they don't have, like, let me show y'all. They don't have like a medium brown. They have like this one and then this darker brown. They don't have like a one in the middle. Like maybe I can mix it to make one that's like kind of in the middle. We'll see. And I'm going to just put it just on the outer corner in the crease right here. Okay, yeah, that worked. I'm going to take this dark color, just this one by itself this time. I'm just going to pack it onto the outer corner, not do anything crazy. I'm just going to hit it here and just push it in. I'm going to make sure it's very built up on the lash line. So I'm going to take a little bit more and add it just to the lash line. Now I'm undecided on what I want to do for my lid, so I'm going to do my eyebrows, think about it, and then I'm going to come back. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and the brows is on. Sisters, not twins, they do their own thing, and I'll just leave it at that. I think I decided that I was going to go with a Stila liquid eyeshadow. I'm going to go with the Morphe 25V palette, and I'm going to use this goldish shade mixed with this shade. So these two mixed together. And I'll go from there and then add a Stila like kind of on top. You could just leave it like that. I'm a little extra. Yeah, I'm going to take this Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. It's kind of like a pinky neutral color. I'm going to take whatever was left on our brush that I used for the outer corner and just kind of blend it. I'm going to go back into this Dream Street palette, take that first shade that we used, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this flat angled brush and do it again because that other brush was not working and it hurt it. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlight, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corner. Now I'm going to put on some bronzer. I'm going to take the Rimmel bronzer, and I'm just gonna swirl my bronzer brush up in there. Next, I'm gonna take this Milani blush in Romantic Rose. I'm gonna take the Anastasia. Oh my god, it is so blinding even in the pan. Anyways, I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I'm gonna use the shade Summer. And I'm gonna take this highlighter as well and do my nose contour because I like my nose contour to be super bright. Alright, I'm gonna take the Catrice lip pencil in Blonde to Go. Wait, Caramel Blonde to Go. And I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna use the shade Up All Night from ColourPop. Now, I would put on lashes with this look, but I mean, all I'm doing today is I'm going to the movies and going to eat crawfish with Caleb, so I don't want to wear so much makeup since I'm going to eat crawfish. Like, this is the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara with Lengthening Fibers. This is what it just looks like in this little purple tube. And the one that I want to try out that Tati is in love with, and she's like, oh my god, Essence. It is called the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Curl and Hold Mascara with Micro Styling Waxes. So I haven't tried this one out, but I've tried this one out and I absolutely love this one. I'm gonna try this one. I already know that this one does lengthen, but I don't want to open this tube if I already have a tube open. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one and see what it's all about. I'm gonna take this Essence liner with it. It's a little bitty, but oh, I love it. It's so good and so affordable. Okay guys, that is the completed look. I feel like it came out really good. That completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then just please let me know. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed week. Bye guys. I like sun-kissed. Sun-kissed. Come through, airbrush. Finish. Come through. And I'm going to use the... Are they seriously cutting grass right now? Now I'm going to have to talk a little bit louder. Enjoy the video. No.